Hello everyone, welcome back to this quick review where we will be taking a look at the Eureka Whirlwind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. So whether you should purchase this vacuum cleaner or skip it, this is what we are going to find out in this video. As you can see that currently I'm on Amazon.com, and I will also put the link of this product down in the description. And here you can see for yourself that the product received around 4.2 stars rating, which is quite good. And here you can see that 64% gave it 5-star rating and 16% gave it 4-star rating, and the ratings is also around 36,000. So if you click on this section, you can scroll down, and here you will be able to see the pictures of the real people who have purchased this product. And here you can even read the reviews, what people are saying about it, why they are liking it so much, and then you can make up your mind whether you want to purchase it or not. Second thing that you can do is you can simply come to Reddit and you can ask for the real people uh, if you have any questions or query regarding it. But if you ask me, in my opinion, you can definitely purchase it, and for more features you can come to Amazon and you can read about the product in the about this item section. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.